Friends, how whole watermelons are turned into sweet, vibrant red juice. Let's today discuss about it.
Welcome to the Watermelon Juice Factory. Be sure to subscribe for more factory tours.
Section 1. Arrival of whole watermelons. The process begins with freshly harvested watermelons, selected for ripeness, sweetness, and size. Each batch is weighed, recorded, and inspected before entering the production line. Section 2. Washing and sanitization. Before cutting, the watermelons are thoroughly washed and sanitized to remove soil, bacteria, and surface contaminants. Advanced washing systems ensure food safety while protecting the fruit's natural quality. Section 3. Sorting and quality check. After washing, watermelons are sorted by size, weight, and external quality. Only melons that meet strict standards move forward for processing. Section 4. Cutting and derinding. Precision cutting machines slice the watermelons open, separating the thick green rind from the red flesh. This step prepares the fruit for efficient juice extraction. Section 5. Seed removal. Modern equipment removes black and white seeds while preserving as much juice-rich flesh as possible. The goal is clean, seed-free watermelon pulp. Section 6. Pulping and juice extraction. The flesh is mechanically pulped and gently pressed to extract sweet red juice. Careful processing helps preserve natural flavor, color, and hydration. Section 7. Filtration and clarification. The juice passes through fine filtration systems to remove excess pulp while maintaining freshness. This creates a smooth, clean juice texture. Section 8. Pasteurization and cooling. To ensure safety and shelf life, the juice is gently pasteurized and rapidly cooled. This step protects quality without compromising taste. Section 9. Quality control and testing. Each batch undergoes strict quality checks for sweetness, color, and safety. Only approved juice moves to packaging. Section 10. Bottling and Packaging. In a sterile environment, the juice is bottled, sealed, and labeled. Every bottle captures the fresh taste of ripe watermelon. Note, if you enjoyed this behind-the-scenes tour, like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.
Watermelon Juice Factory Tour. Subscribe for more factory tours.